Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change leverage on TradingView Paper Trading. The first thing I want you to do is open up any full chart, and then from here under the trading panel you'll see Paper Trading. I want you to go ahead and click on that and then click here on Connect. So this is Paper Trading by TradingView, and as you can see we're now connected. So close this one, right? Once you're connected, then what I need you to do is click here on this gear cog to access account settings. Now here under account settings, you'll see leverage, okay? And you can change the leverage for each option right here. So we have stocks, we have futures, Forex, crypto, others, okay? Just make sure that when you are making your changes, you go ahead and click here on save so that you can change your. So for example, I do 2x1 for stocks. I'll click here on save. And there you go. As you can see now, it has been changed. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.